Luke here with the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, and I'm making a knife in the middle of Alaska's wilderness. I'm gonna be sleeping in my own shelter, building a forge out in the woods, making my own charcoal kiln, and forging a knife from scratch. It's been a couple weeks since I've been here at the shelter. We got quite a bit of ice and snow since I was here last and sealed up the shelter really well. Well, I think I better bust out my shovel and start digging things out. All right, that looks pretty good. I think it's time to go find some kindling though. I'll tell you, one nice thing about this cold weather, it made the snow so hard you don't need snowshoes. Well, I want to get a roaring fire in here pretty quick because I want to figure out how much of this snow is going to melt. And I don't want to be underneath here when that happens. So whatever's going to melt, I want it to melt before it gets dark tonight so that I can have a nice dry bed to sleep on. Oh, my firewood is so wet. It rained really good before it got cold. We gotta prop it all up and get it to dry out before I can use it. All right, we're gonna let that fire thaw out in the shelter, get everything warmed up. And I'm real excited to build a forge out here and do some blacksmithing projects tomorrow, but I'm gonna need a lot of charcoal. So I'm gonna build a charcoal kiln and I need a lot of wood.